almost 12:30 on a Tuesday, and today I will be trading Zenith on MACD. So this is a MACD indicator that has been improved by NINZA. So first of all, here we have a trend, and then we are waiting for pullbacks that generate MACD signals. MACD, of course, is an indicator that's been around for a while. It has some issues. For one thing, it tends to lag a lot, but probably a bigger problem is in strong trending markets, it would give a lot of false signals. So what ninZaFamily did here is it combined it with a larger trend in mind. So in a downtrend, you will only see sell signals or short signals. In an uptrend, you will only see long signals. So right now, as you look to the left, you see a downtrend, you see pullbacks, and then once the MACD setup is qualified, you see a short signal. There are many settings to customize, but for this demonstration, I did not change any settings. As is, out of the box, this is what you're looking at here. I use a 15-second chart. If you've been watching my videos, you know I like the 15-second chart for scalping during the session. I like the way a 15-second chart responds, especially for the NASDAQ. Very often, larger time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, by the time they signal something, the move is already over. So I like the 15-second chart. Before we continue, I would appreciate if you press the like button. Also, if you want to come and visit me in my Discord group, it's in the description. So nothing so far, but you see how this system handles chop. You see this back and forth, but there are no signals. Because yes, trends are identified, but the pullbacks never generates a MACD setup. So especially now that it's lunchtime, it is super important to be able to filter at least some of the chop. Obviously, it's not possible to filter all of the chop, but even if you can eliminate some chop, it's already very helpful. All right, and now in a downtrend, we see a pullback, just waiting for the MACD signal. It will be obviously a short signal.
Order submitted.
I'll be trading 2 contracts and taking half a position off fairly soon. Now, if you're asking where is your ATM, I don't like to trade with ATM, especially time-based charts. Let me first
Order submitted.
put this target over here. I much rather prefer to trade the market structure. So my first target, here it is hit already, goes right before the low so far. And then I'm going to try and hold on to the second half of the position. My stop, of course, is if Zenith MACD turns bullish, well then I'll be out of my
Order submitted.
short. Let me place a stop now on the second half and see if we can break that low. Alright, they took me out. I'm gonna be waiting for the next signal. Alright, so pulling back and
Order
another
submitted.
signal. I'm gonna take this short as well. Same exact idea. My first target is gonna be slightly before that low, because now we do have a double bottom
Order
there,
submitted.
so gotta be a bit careful with the shorts. I'm gonna take my first target before that low. My stop again is if price reverses and we have a positive Zenith MACD, then I will get out of my short position. Alright, so the first half is out. Now I'm gonna put a stop. Again, so they're not able to break that low.
Order
They're probably going to
submitted.
take me out of the short, and that's okay. And then I'll be looking for a move higher. They could not break this low, and so things might be turning bullish. So waiting for a long signal after this. Alright, so here we have a bullish trend,
Order
a
submitted.
pullback, and here is the Zenith MACD long signal. I'm going to take this long. Just one contract now.
Order submitted.
They're pulling back, and I'm gonna scale in with another one. My stop remains the same. If the MACD turns bearish, in other words, if the trend turns bearish, I'll be out of my long, but we are right at that support area, so I'm going to try and take another long here, dollar cost average it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, let's see if we can catch one last trade. Going to be on the long side. Let's see if we can get a pullback deep enough for a MACD. Signal to trigger. So what I'll do is I'm going to enter with
Order
one.
submitted.
And then if we get a MACD signal, I'm going to enter with another one. I just don't want to miss the move because here would be the first obstacle. This is actually a target. That's where they're going right now. So I don't want to miss the move. So entering long. Just with one. Like I said, if it pulls back, I get a MACD signal. I'm going to take another one. But as of right now, this is the target over here.
Order submitted.
Here we go.
Order submitted.
So now first target could be here.
Order submitted.
Okay, so first target, second one, let's put it here.
Order submitted.
And put the stop here.
Order submitted.
Oh, come on. Oh, don't do that. It's not nice. Alright. Took me out. So pretty good MACD signals over here. I tried to get in early. I was afraid to miss the move. There was no need. They did pull back. Unfortunately, it took me out here. I should cancel this.
Order canceled.
Yeah, they ended up coming right here. Still believe on the long side. Let's see if we get another MACD signal. 1:30, so still time. Alright, so we have a strength symbol here. You know what? I'm gonna take...
Order submitted.
See if I can get in on this long. And just like before, if a MACD signal appears, I'm going to enter with another one. But this is a strength signal, so it should mean we should be going higher. So I don't want to miss the move. Again, the trend is still up. Everything's still bullish. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Gonna take
Order
that.
submitted.
Gonna take that for a quick scalp. So when you see these, there are also these on the short side. In a bullish trend, this means strength. In a bearish trend like over here, this means weakness. So you can look for these as well. Right, wow, that was a heck of a move, huh? Alright, let's see if we can get a MACD signal now.
Order submitted.
There we go. Right.
Order submitted.
So let's see if we can take it to this height, would be nice. Alright, just got
Order
a second.
submitted.
Just got another MACD signal over here. My stop is not too far, it would be below this line here. Let's see if they can hold it, maybe take it back up to this recent high. Let's put my target slightly below the high.
Order submitted.
go. Let's put my stop now.
Order submitted.
Here. No reason for this to become a losing trade now. Hopefully they'll push it, and if not, then I'll just be done. Okay.
Order canceled.
Alright, order is cancelled. Well, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. There is going to be a live webinar tomorrow, Wednesday, July 16th. If you missed it, look on NINZA's website. I'm sure you're going to find a recording. Thank you all. See you next time.
Join the HelloWin Forum, where NINZA family traders come together to explore valuable trading knowledge and products. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.